Ever heard the saying, change is the only constant? I have to admit, when it comes to change, I am not the most accepting. Though I love a challenge, I'm not one to stay still and stay stagnant. Yet, the soothing feeling of staying in one's comfort zone is also one that makes embracing change a lot harder. Perhaps I'm better off staying put where I'm at. Sounds familiar? Well, the good news is that as our society continues to develop at such a rapid pace, it also means we have more opportunities to do things that were previously thought impossible. These days, more individuals are pushing the boundaries and breaking stereotypes. To break free from our limitations, we've got to take a step back and gain a fresh perspective. So stick till the very end of this video and start living out your best days. I've got the solution at Happiness Matters so that you can all make a fresh start each month and enjoy life. Let's start. Number 1, make plans. So your task is to not to treat the start of each month as a continuation of whatever has happened during the last couple of weeks. Mark a new beginning by sitting down and making some plans for yourself, especially things you'll be doing that are going to make this month special and unique compared to the last month. So this is a great way to make each month stand out from the rest of the month in your mind, and you'll be able to kickstart your journey with an altogether fresh perspective. I myself follow this every month, and trust me guys, it has indeed helped me a lot, because you know what, at the end of the day, attitude is everything. Which brings me to the second secret tip, and that is declutter. Don't just wait for an annual spring clean to sort your life out. Do a mini version of it at the end of each month and enter the new month with a clean environment and a clean mind to match it. Don't believe me? Then try it out at the end of this month. Never underestimate just how therapeutic and positive having a clear living or working space can be. It has multiple restorative benefits that will help you in the long run. So give it a shot and enjoy the new you. Decluttering is essential. Make sure you get rid of all the redundant stuff in your place. For sure, you'll definitely feel more cozy and peaceful in the very end. Which brings me to the third tip, rate all areas of your life. Take a moment and assess the most important areas of your life and see where you need to take a step back or give some effort. You might want to take a peek at things like your love life, friendships, spirituality, your work-life balance, and your hobbies while rating them on a scale of 1 to 10. At the risk of oversimplifying, it strikes me that we can assess how well we are living our lives and in turn develop a plan for its improvement by scoring ourselves on just 4 factors: health, work, relationships, and creativity. If you score low, then you'll know the adjustments you need to make. Simple. The fourth tip being, look ahead for birthdays and holidays. Stand in front of the calendar or planner and look for all the important things that lies in the month ahead, like birthdays, meetings, and all things season specific. For example, if you want to go to a clothes fair that is coming up next week in your neighborhood, look at your calendar and decide when a good day or time would be. Then pencil it in just like you would any other appointment. It's so easy to let these little things slip by, but this simple routine can help. That way you'll have something exciting to look forward to and to spice up your life. And last but not the least, edit your closet and take care of your clothes. Don't be afraid at the start of each month to be brutally honest about what you actually wear. Give your ill-fitting or gently worn clothing to somebody who needs it more than you, and then show whatever is left some love. Take inventory of what needs to be repaired, replaced, or taken to the cleaners. These are the tasks that often get overlooked, but taking 2 minutes per month to maintain your wardrobe will keep your clothes in great condition. So guys, sometimes viewing your month as a clean slate really helps. So start with day 1, commit to a month, and see where your month takes you. Sit down at the start of each month and plug in all the pieces of your personal and professional life. Helps you feel organized, like you're on top of everything that needs to be done, and lets you have that constant visual reminder of the big picture. If you can do these things on day 1, I promise you'll have an organized, successful, and extra fulfilling month. So guys, this is me, PAYAL, signing off. Keep supporting me in my journey on Happiness Matters, and I'll continue producing an interesting content like this. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll meet you next week. Until then, stay happy, stay blessed.